Hey guys, what's up? It's Byron here. So, some of you guys probably know by now that I'm really into home improvement, as I'm always looking for new things to make my bedroom turn studio a little bit better. So today we're gonna take a look at the Mi Smart Standing Fan 1C. This is actually Wi-Fi enabled, which is why I'm really excited about this fan, and I love how Xiaomi can make just about anything look way more premium at an affordable price. Before I actually open up this box, some overview specs of this fan would be that it has 3 working modes, a minimum noise level of just 37 decibels, an adjustable height, and it's compatible with your Mi Home app, Google Assistant, and Alexa. All of this for just the price of 1,999 pesos or just $40. That's crazy. Alright, so let's get into it. So this is the box that the Mi Fan 1C comes with. As you can see, the box follows the same packaging as all of the other Mi products. Up front, we see the illustration of the entry-level Fan 1C and the name, some logos of Xiaomi and its Mi Home app. The box actually looks really sleek if you ask me. Over at the back, it's the same thing. Technical specs of it. So I read from the Xiaomi website that this fan weighs at 3.5 kilograms. I'd say that this is a really light standing fan, and let's see if it will hold up later. So let's unbox this thing. Alright, so this fan doesn't come assembled, so we'll have to assemble it. But first, let's check out the parts that's made available. Super neatly assembled are the parts. This is the base of the fan. So this is the grill where the blades are stored. Some of the screws, lots of carton. This is the DC motor that actually powers up the fan. So we'll see this for all of the Xiaomi fan models actually. Alright, so the 1C is actually a standing fan. It's actually convertible to a desk fan. And I guess they added some additional attachments to make it look more like a standing fan. So we'll see that later as well. Alright, let's set this box aside. And let's just roll some B-roll to show you guys how to actually assemble your Xiaomi fan. Alright, so moment of truth. Let's test if the fan assembly actually worked. Oh, it's working. Did you guys notice that? From my other video before on the purifier, it made the same sound when it was connected. That's pretty cool. And as you guys can see, I don't know if you guys can hear though, the fan's actually really quiet, and let's talk more about it. So the top comes with 4 clicky buttons, a timer, oscillator, fan speed, and the power button. You would also know the fan speed as indicated by the LED indicators up here. So these are the lights behind the power button. Okay, so the neck, you can actually tilt this fan up and down, but it's not automatic in any sense. As per the wind strength, I'd say that this fan is probably more intended for circulating the air inside the room, to actually making you feel a lot cooler during the hot summer days. I don't think that this is the in-your-face kind of fan. I think this is kind of the fan that's just supposed to be in the background without you really minding it. So I believe that this fan is intended to make you feel a gentle breeze in the room. But don't get me wrong, once you set it on max speed, it can still pack a pretty strong punch. And the design, it stands out as well. It's really minimalistic and neutral, and it will probably blend in most of the places in the room no matter what design it is. One quirky feature about this fan is that it's adjustable in height. So as you guys saw in the installation earlier, this stand comes in 2 pieces. So this could either be a desk fan or a fully standing fan. I really like this because it gives me more options in where I can place the fan, and this can also fit in more cramped rooms with less free space. So you could just put this on top of a stool or a desk and it's good to go. All in all, this makes the fan really versatile, especially for those looking into achieving a certain look in their bedrooms. So of course, you can always control the fans manually by clicking the buttons behind it, but that's where the beauty of this certain fan comes into play. Since it's Wi-Fi enabled, I'm able to control it with my Mi Home app and my other smart assistants. It's actually really simple to do. Just download the Mi Home app and everything, and it's basically self-explanatory. Alright, so we got the Mi Home app here because I actually own a bunch of Xiaomi appliances already. So let's see how fast the setup is. Alright, so I'm supposed to hold the last two buttons at the back. Press and hold power button and fan speed at the same time. After a long beep and blinking of an orange light, the Wi-Fi reset will have succeeded. So then, we have to connect to the Wi-Fi feature of this fan by going to our settings and connecting our phone to the fan. Alright, now it's connecting as fast as that. So we'll just have to wait for it to connect to our network. Now that it's done pairing, we now have to select the room that we're gonna put it in. This just helps with the overall consolidation of where your smart appliances can be found. So I'm gonna select bedroom. Okay, next. So the Misan. I don't wanna rename my device. Okay, perfect. Let's get started. Agree. So let's try turning on the fan. So it's currently set to direct breeze, and there's also an option of sleep mode, which I think is more quiet. Okay, fan speed settings can be changed in the app as well. So that's 1, this is 2, and this is 3. And the app interface, can I just say that this looks absolutely clean. Alright, so oscillation can be controlled here as well. Wow, this app is perfect for lazy people. Alright, so everything's set, and there's even a child lock in case you guys have children and you don't want them touching the fan settings. So this is the fan at 3 on direct breeze, and I don't know if you guys can hear how loud it is based from my mic here. Jed's around 2 to 3 meters away, so Jed, can you feel the air back there? Yeah, he says it's good. Alright, so I'm gonna turn this off now and we can wrap up this video. So I guess overall, if you want to start a smart home and buying all of these smart appliances, it's actually worth taking a look at because you don't need to buy any smart plugs. The Wi-Fi enabled features already here at a cheap and affordable price if you ask me. So any fan these days, when you head over to the appliance store, the price will actually be relatively the same. And if you're looking to a smart home, this might be your best option because of its clean design and its Wi-Fi enabled features. So if you guys like this video, give me a like, hit that subscribe button down. Oh, it's shaking. Hit that subscribe button down there and ring that notification bell, and I'll see you guys on the next one.